Go.
Did you watch week 3 injection day? If not,
Shucks.
go check it out.
Did I lose any weight? Did I gain any weight?
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was.
It's Tamika and Tamika is she, she is Tamika and Tamika is she, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. Hello gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Tamika. Alright, so if you have not watched the previous video where I did my 3rd week injection video, please make sure you watch that, because I also gave not only did I do my shot on camera, but I also did my measurements. So story behind the measurements, I did forget to take my measurements on day 1 of me taking Mounjaro, so I'm only going to be able to compare it to the first day of 75 soft challenge, which was when did I start it? In July, so it's August. It's not that far off of a difference, okay? So that is what I have to compare it with, and then we are going to go over those numbers today in this video, along with how much did I weigh, how much do I weigh, did I lose any weight, did I maintain weight, did I gain weight. I did forget to add the screenshots of my weight, so I do apologize for that. I did start it on August 13th on a Wednesday, and I was 153 pounds and some change. Tragic. Okay, 153 pounds, 0.6 is the actual weight. So I took it on a Wednesday. 7 days later, on August 20th, I was 149 pounds, 0.6. All right. So last week I started taking the injection on Friday. Okay. Did I lose any weight? Did I gain any weight? Well, your girl maintained her weight. So I am still 149 pounds, 0.6. And guess what? I am okay with that because I feel lighter. I don't feel bloated. Girl, I have not been eating any cookies since that video that I did on Saturday, since the weekend. I just been eating my my dark chocolate, and that's really been helping me. And I also have my low carb ice cream that I eat. Now it's just hard trying to change your palate, because once your palate has gotten used to that processed sugary type food, it's kind of hard to go back to the low carb stuff or the dark chocolate stuff, because your taste buds want the actual real thing. So now that I feel like I've trained my taste buds these past 5 days, 6 days now, I'm good to go. All right, so now let's go ahead and get into the update, because that's the update on the sweet attack, girl. I've been Gucci, like Twan said, I've been Gucci since then, as far as like with the sweets. Now let's talk about any symptoms that I've been having. I'm still cold. I still get, I didn't even mention this, but the whole nasal drip. I feel like my nose have always been running, but it is kind of running a lot. And I feel like it's even more when I am talking a lot. I was sleepy. I do have those times where, especially at work, especially around 2 o'clock, I am sleepy. 1:30, 2 o'clock. The eyes is ready to shut down. I am like, girl, I'm done. Like, I'm just ready to just go to sleep, but I can't. And it's okay, because at the end of the day, I just have to get up, go on my 15-minute break, and drink some cold water, because cold water does help you to like wake up. Like, if you think about jumping into a cold shower, it wakes you up. Well, when you digest cold water, it should wake you up. Or I can just drink coffee, but I just choose not to do that. I did have that episode where, like Twan did, where driving home, like last Friday when I was driving home, I was so sleepy, like I wanted to just go like this, but I had to like keep telling myself to, stay up. I do have B12 tablets. It's the Nature Valley one, but I don't think it's really doing that good of a job. Well, obviously it's not if I'm sleepy. So I do need to try to find something that is a bit stronger, so I don't have to worry about all of that drowsiness when I'm operating a vehicle or when I am at work. That's something that I don't want to do. One of the things that I noticed, like as of last Friday, like Friday I'm good. My appetite can be just fine. Saturday and Sunday is when not only is my appetite is good, but it is suppressed for hours, okay? And also I feel a little bit sick. So I don't know if it's because, for those who don't know, when I took my break, my 5-month break of being off of Zepbound, I went straight into 5 milligrams. I didn't start off with 2.5. So this is my first box since being off of Zepbound. And I've been feeling kind of like just sick. Like if I eat Saturday and Sunday, I can take a few bites of food and then I am just done. Like I'm just so disgusted. And Monday and Tuesday is like my appetite is good. Like I can feel that satiety, but the suppression is not there. So I thought maybe it's because of my thigh. I don't know. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, 2 days leading up to the to injection day, my appetite is suppressed. So I can go hours without eating. It's weird. I don't understand that. I don't know anybody else go through that, where the first few days is like a rocky road and then it levels out and then it just goes back into as if it's the first day all over again. But I don't feel sick or anything. I just feel the suppression and the satiety as if I just started. But I'm not disgusted with food. It's just, it's out of sight, out of mind, without the sickness or whatever that comes along with it. Yeah, that is basically how I felt yesterday. Like I went a few hours. I left work early because of my daughter, and then came home, had a protein shake that was around about 12 o'clock. I didn't eat until about 6:45. That's how long of a stretch I went without eating. So, and I didn't feel nauseous. I didn't feel sick. I didn't feel disgusted with food. I just felt normal, like, okay, I'm just suppressed. That's it. But it's just something about Saturday and Sunday, which is day 2 and day 3. I feel satiety, suppression, and a little bit of just sickness. Like, I can't believe I can't eat. And it's making me want to change my injection days, because on the weekends, baby girl, we are either out to eat or we're cooking soul food on Sunday. And for me to not be able to finish my plate of food is like aggravating on the weekend. So I don't know if I want to change my injection days like on a Monday or Sunday night. Screen record. All right, let's go to Tanika's channel. All right, and let's go to my 75 shorts playlist. Look how slim I was. Okay. My waistline was a 29. What did I say my waistline was in the other video? I'll put it up here. All right. I don't think I measured my fupa, but I'm glad I put it on. 24 hips. Is that right? 22 and a half is my thigh. All right, let me stop screen recording. God dang it, my hips was that right? How did I go from a 24 to a 44? Did I really do? Dang, I gained that much weight around my hips from a 24 to a 39. Well, I did look a little hippie right now compared to here. So yeah, and I had lost around 9 pounds in this video, but I was 148 in this video. But yeah, so that's the update as far as like my inches. I'll do a better comparison for next month. However, how it be, I'll just let you know. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing and become a Tam Nation. paw print, okay? And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew, then you don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Play